Hello friends, in this video I will show you useful tips that you can try in your iOS and Samsung phone. Let's start with iOS device. Go to settings, select control center option, scroll down and select sound recognition. You will see the option appear here. Now go to home screen, long press here and click setting, enable this option and click on this sound. Here I am selecting baby crying option. You need to select turn on sound recognition option. Consider you are wearing earphone and listening some music. In the meantime baby is crying, you can be notified. Likewise you can try out similar option listed out here. Similarly in Android you need to select settings, go to accessibility and you need to select hearing enhancement, sound notification setting. You have to enable this option. You long press this sound notification and if you go to notification category, here you will see priority all notification. Select this option. Here you can enable like baby sounds. Okay, I have enabled this 4 option. Now similar way we can see like baby is crying and we will see the notification. See? The baby sound is detected nearby. Hope this video helped. Thank you.